写，然后印成太小声。
不行。好。
One introduction. Mountain Fuji is tallest mountain in Japan, standing at 3,776 meters. It is located on Honshu Island near Tokyo. 2. Appears Mountain Fuji is beautiful, symmetrical volcano is all covered with snow in winter. In summer, many people hike to the top. 3. Counter significant. Mountain Fuji is symbol of Japan. It is important in Japan culture and religion. Many people believe it's a secret place. 4. Popular activities tour come to the mountain, take photo or enjoy the views. Thank you for listening.